See, we just got home from Knoxville, hoping Mommy passed her test. And I'm so happy she doesn't have to study for a while. You gonna keep talking to us? Yeah. What should we do today? Full of options. Well, that's a good idea. Maybe we'll try that. What else? Oh, how fun. What do you think about laundry? Does that make you excited? Yeah, Mommy too. Not. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you.